Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida, in our new factory building, January 2024. We're starting out with some new builds here, and as you can see, we have a fully finished compact 45, beautiful machine. We have all our 27 horse coilers now that are been installed in a lot of these units now. We're able to get our coiler engines. So that's the good news here. We love our coiler engines. They're just really durable, very high torque and high quality engines. So as you can see, this build is complete and we're going to be testing it out. It's going to Idaho, and I think the gentleman out there will be very, very happy. There's the serial number there. Everything's just been really handcrafted and very well put together. Simplistic, easy to get underneath. This is all quarter plate, by the way. It's all powder coated, easy to get under, to loosen up bolts, say for your pump or for your blower. We've got pullbacks, as you can see, built already into the unit. You get a perfect alignment as a result of that. Double groove pulleys, by the way. This is the only form of transmission is belt driven. That's the only one that ever worked. The Lovejoy couplings or the direct couplings are high fail, will leave you in a bad situation of loss of accounts, possible injury when those things break. But with the belts, you've got early warning, and we've got many people that have had 5 years on these original belts. As you can see, look, all stainless braided hoses. The header is just beautiful. We have a certain skill set I've established in building my headers. And as you can see, they just look really nice, and it comes down into a stainless 1 7/8, down to an access point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. You can get a lot of working pressure out of this unit, not like the other manufacturers, because they use that cheap tube and fin heat exchangers that are only good around 1,000 psi, and then they blow up. These are 3,500 pounds pressure rated, trouble-free operation, easy to get to. On the other side, of course, we have the accessibility to the shroud in the event that you have to do any kind of engine work. Again, these are Kohler engines. They're top of the line. They're the best in the business. You won't find a better engine. They're at the top of all the engines, and that's why we use the best in parts, and we use the Suterbilt blowers, because they're low profile, they set right, and they're just a really nice blower, PD blower. And this one happens to be a 45, so it's got a 4-inch timing gear with a 5-inch rotor shaft. It's got plenty of displacement, 410 CFM. Can get about 450 feet of hose on this unit. So you'll be real happy with the results. We got a nice high flow pump that can produce up to 2,000 PSI. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com, and you'll see there's an orange one that a customer wanted, an orange. We'll do working man's gray, red, black, whatever, yellow, whatever color that you want that matches your company's theme color. But like I said, everything is built to the exact specifications of Blue Baron Factory. We take a lot of pride. We're 18-year builders, so I've been 44 years in the business of the floor care industry, 18 years building. I'm a veteran of the Armed Forces and the Air Force, and I really enjoy what I do. I've got a lot of background in a lot of different things, heavy electromechanical, and I enjoy welding, fabricating. We do a lot of CNC work. As you can see, the quarter plate is all, you got your cutouts, your elongated holes. This one happens to be for 2 different size blowers, for a 36 and a 45. Straight out inlet is 2.5, comes out 2.5, and goes through a 2.5 inlet through a D33 started silencer, which is acoustically dampens high decibels, so you can work in noise sensitive areas. And you'll just really like everything about this unit. As you can see in the background here, we got a lot going on, and these units are going out rather quickly and efficiently, but we take pride and care. These aren't cookie punch units that we slap on an assembly line. They're all built with passion, handcrafted, And as you can see, our panels are all professionally CNC'd, and all of them. We just do so much to better our position in the marketplace. We produce other products that other companies don't produce, like the Access Point heat exchanger. John Donne has purchased from us. They purchased for the 405 series and Legend series ProChem units that had discontinued heat exchangers. So we're very well known in the industry, and that's why we're the top of the search engines on Google. Look us up for our heat exchangers. Truck mount heat exchangers or carpet cleaning heat exchangers, we're right at the top for a reason, being the fact that we put out a consistent high quality heat exchangers as well as truck mounts and accessories. Look us up also for our inline filter boxes, our bidirectional tanks, and as you noticed, if you put carpet cleaning recovery tanks, we're probably the only company that really can individually sell tanks, whereas a lot of companies want to hold on to them and keep them for their truck mount packages. So we can give you a very nice bidirectional tank that will help you in the process of recovery, flood waters and whatnot. Look at that. We've got more coming in. We've got a 60-gallon here. 60-gallon. We can modify it to whatever your specifications are. So these can go up to 4. This is a 3, can go up to 3.5, 4. Like say 3.5 for 56 or 59 would be 4-inch. All bi-directional so that you can come in from the left to the right side on the return line and the inlet line as well. So as you see, we've come out with some new filters. Blue Baron's building these beautiful filters, whereas it's hard in the industry to get these filters. We designed perfectly balanced mesh that gives you easy cleaning but yet excellent airflow and great filtration. So look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Call us today at 727-505-2989 and we'll answer any of your questions. If you want to come down here to Lecanto, we're off of Highway 44 between Inverness and Homosassa. Very easy to get to, a major truck route. So if you need directions, just give us a call ahead of time and we can set up an appointment for you to look at these great machines and accessories. Thank you. My name is Pete Garland, originator and designer and builder of the Blue Baron truck mounts and accessory line. Thank you.